Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic we need to find the solution of x. So now I will show you how to answer. So for x we need to multiply by number 12 and x. This one number 3 multiplied by number 4 and number 3. So we have 12x minus 9x. So 12x we simplify for the both sides. Next, I will put this one go to the right, and we have like this. This one we can do about factorization by x. And now we have two solutions. The first one s equal to number 0, and the second one s minus number 9 equals to number 0. And this one we have s equals to number 9. So we have two solutions, the first one and the second one. Now let's go to the next one. So this one we have the formula in here. So when b is about greater than or equals to number 0, we will have about 8 equals to the square root of b, and 8 equals to negative with the square root of b. So in this one, because 49 that is about positive, so we will have about x plus 7 equals to the square root of 49. And the second one, this one we have number 7, this one we have number 7. So number 7 I will put on the right, this one on the right. So we have like this. So number 7 minus number 7, we have number 0. And the second one, this one we have negative 14. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.